Guys, hi. It's been quite some time I've made YouTube video. This is my daughter Mia. What we have here is the MacBook Air. There's been a lot of review about this product and I'm not sure, and she's just saying hello to you guys. I'm pretty not sure. What do you think, Mia? What do you think about it?
I haven't used it all. Well, I don't know.
You don't know yet? Okay. Anyway, my own opinion is that there's a lot of controversy going on, and I had the opportunity to check this. It's not mine yet. I have an opportunity to try it for the next few months, and my own opinion about it. There's a lot of people comparing this with the MacBook Pro. Both the M4 chip one, the 2025 MacBook Pro, but this is a MacBook Air, and I suggest, because of the name that is on it, Apple already said Air, which means light, and there's no fun in this stuff. I believe this is just meant for casual works and all the other stuff you can do very quickly, but I basically think this is an easier way to get into the Macintosh OS product. Like everybody knows, the most common operating system are Windows, Macintosh, and Linux in different version. And the more people use, more people use are Windows and Mac. Linux is also heavily used but not common among every guys out there. So for student people who just think they just want to get into using a laptop, and Apple is trying to get some of the Windows user to use Macintosh OS, and like you know, Windows has always been Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 8, Windows 7, but Apple does something. They just call it Mac OS, and they don't even use Mac OS. They use the other name they give it, like Sapphire, Mac OS, Tiger, if you remember the Leopard when they're using the animal names, Snow Leopard and stuff like that, and now they start using mountains and stuff like that. So they don't really call it Mac OS every time. They just use, that's all the name, and people just start thinking it's this different softwares or stuff like that, but basically it's just Macintosh OS, I believe it is being called, and this is Apple's way of getting people into the ecosystem. They give them a cheaper Mac that doesn't do a lot of hard stuff, that you can use it for your daily needs, which is the Macintosh software for your daily needs, for people doing word processing, easy job, typing, and anyone doing anything that doesn't require every power duty job. So a lot of people have been asking me which one is better, and I just said this is just for you to get into the ecosystem, and when you are in the ecosystem, it could be your daily drive for school, for work, for other stuff like that. I don't know what she's doing. She's trying to be shy. Do you want to say something to my friends?
Hi.
Hi. Okay, hi. So my own opinion is, if you're trying to get into the Mac ecosystem, the Macintosh ecosystem, and iOS and stuff like that, this is a way to go. It's cheaper, not really totally cheap like all the Windows PC. We have Windows PC like 300, 400. This is a 999 product, and you can get a used one of the old version also cheaper, like 500 for the M1 chips one, and the Windows one, the Intel ones also. But I would suggest you wait, try to get some more money and get this MacBook Air. It's a great product. It works very well. It does everything very well. You can even do some powerful job on it, as I believe, and it's a great product. So guys, that is it from me. My own opinion and my own thought about the MacBook Air. It's been great. I've been enjoying it. If I'm lucky to keep it, you'll hear more about it. So that is it from me. Odabo. And Mia, you want to say something?
Bye.
Bye. Odabo.